Good evening, and thank you for the opportunity to share Delaware County's COVID-19 task force activities and the challenges Delaware County continues to face 21 months into the pandemic. The Pennsylvania Department of Health COVID data for Delaware County is now trending in an unsettling direction. Delaware County remains at high risk of transmission of COVID-19, with the most recent 7-day percent positivity at 5.4%. This represents an increase from the previous 7 days, which stood at 5.1%. The incidence rate per 100,000 has also increased in the past 7 days from 82.9 to 85.6. Newly reported confirmed cases have increased from 470 to 485 in the past week. Average daily COVID-19 specific hospitalizations and percent of hospital emergency department visits due to COVID-like illnesses are down in the past 7 days. Increasing numbers of cases of COVID-19 are now reported across the state and nationally as we enter respiratory virus season and as the Delta variant remains highly contagious. According to the Pennsylvania Department of Health, Delaware County total vaccinations administered are over 700,000, with 67.2% of our county population receiving at least 1 dose of vaccine. The number of vaccines administered by the Delaware County COVID-19 Task Force to date total over 158,000. The Delco COVID-19 Task Force successfully rolled out its pediatric vaccinating program this past weekend, delivering nearly 500 pediatric Pfizer vaccines to the 5 to 11-year-olds across the county. Clinics were held at the Haverford Township Administration Center, the Delaware County Wellness Center in Yeadon, the Keystone Wellness Center in Chester, and the Aston Community Center. The Medical Reserve Corps of volunteers stepped up, and the children were greeted with music, balloons, and even the therapy dog Frisco. The county is reaching out to school communities, private pediatric offices, and extending invitations to our clinics to continue administering Pfizer pediatric vaccine. Other scheduled community vaccine events include the weekly Thursday evening vaccinating and testing at the SEPTA 69th Street Terminal and exclusive Pfizer pediatric clinics in Haverford and Aston in December. The Homebound program remains a pivotal part of the county vaccinating program, administering COVID vaccine to those who are immobile, vulnerable, and at risk. To date, the Homebound team has vaccinated over 1,600 individuals with over 2,800 total doses of vaccine administered. We continue to offer all 3 booster vaccines to eligible individuals, as well as Pfizer and Moderna third doses at all regular vaccine clinics. Our clinics are ready to meet the demand as the FDA broadens its booster vaccine recommendation to all adults 18 years and over. This announcement will likely occur in the next few days. We are recommending appointments, but walk-ins are welcome. Clinics are operating at the Delaware County Wellness Center in Yeadon and at the Keystone First Wellness Center. Both sites have added exclusive pediatric clinics and are continuing to offer flu vaccine to the community. Check out our website, delcopa.gov, for dates and times. The Delaware County Wellness Line is open Monday through Friday from 8:30 to 4:30 to answer questions and concerns related to COVID-19, as well as other public health related topics. That number is 484-276-2100. Everyone is looking forward to a healthy holiday season. If you or anyone you know has reservations about the vaccines, please encourage them to ask their primary care doctor or pharmacist. The vaccine remains our best tool to emerge from the pandemic. Protecting yourself will protect others and move us all closer to getting back to normal. Thank you for your time and attention. I am always available for questions.